All right, so in this video, we're going to go over the advanced keyword research strategy. So basically, this particular strategy is centered around looking at the competition and looking at what some other terms that we can use based on what the competition is already doing. So here we have crawl space cleaning, and this is location specific. So you'll notice here that it's pulling up my location here in Seattle. So let me go ahead and open this up here. And what we're doing here is we're looking to see what type of additional keywords that we can add to our keyword ad groups, okay? So let's go back over here. Let's look at this. Let's see if we have any other keywords that we can use in here. Removing, cleaning up insulation from your crawl space. Let's see here. Let's go to home. So insulation, they have attic insulation, crawl space insulation, removal. Okay, great. Let's see if they have any other services here. Attic insulation, wall insulation. So this can be another keyword here that we can use. Wall insulation, and then there's the crawl space cleaning. We have that. Electrical services. This may be also an additional service as well, depending on the contractor there. They have some before and afters here. Let's check out another contractor here. So let's go down here, see if we can find one of these guys. Rainy day basement. Let's pull these guys up here. Okay, so these guys look to have some good keywords here as well. Crawl space repair, crawl space vapor barrier, energy efficient dehumidifier. Okay, basement waterproofing. That may be another keyword ad group that we can add as well. So let's go over here. Basement waterproofing. Okay. So that may be another keyword as well. Let's go back and see here. Okay, great. Patent and drain systems, crack repairs. So this is a whole nother service here. Foundation repair. That may be another one as well. Let's go back. Let's go to foundation repair. So we can add this one here as well. Foundation repair. Because it's centered around the crawl space cleaning, crawl space insulation, that type of construction service, it makes sense for us to add these types of keywords, right? Because they're all interrelated. So let's go over here now. And one of the things that I like to do also is have the keyword planner look up the keywords for us. So let me show you. Let's go right here and take the home page. Okay. And what this is going to do is it's actually going to pull up all of the keywords that are related to this particular website. So let's start with a website, entire website. Let's go ahead and get results. And so now we can see all of the keywords that they have on their website that we can use as some of the top level keyword ad groups. So crawl space repair, this can be another keyword here. Let's go back. Crawl space repair. We can put the search volume here. Okay, great. What's the cost per click? $19. Okay, let's see what else we can do. Crawl space drainage. This is another keyword here. So as you can see here, this is a really advanced strategy here that allows us to go to our competition and let them help us, designate and find out the keywords that we can target, right? Which are going to be ones that we can use to create the single keyword ad groups. Let's look at the volume here, 390. Okay, great. Crawl space encapsulation. I think we already have that. Yep. And then lawnscape, that's something else. Leaky basement can also be a service as well. So then with the leaky basement, that could be like leaky basement cleaning near me, right? Those types of keywords. And so this could be a whole keyword ad group right here. Fantastic. Let's go to the cost per click. Obviously quite high there, 22. I'm sure this is a good return on investment for the contractor. So let's see if we can find one more here. Basement floor repair. Perfect. Right here. Because right there it says basement floor contractors, all one keyword here is going to be in our basement floor repair keyword ad group, right? So let's see if they have basement floor repair in here. Here we have basement leak repair. This is another one here. And these are kind of similar here. These may be put into one keyword ad group here. Let's look at the 2900. Gosh, what is that doing that? Okay, great. And then what is the CPC? Okay, let's look to find one more here. Wet basement repair. Perfect. So this is the last one here. And then obviously we would have the wet basement repair services, wet basement repair services near me, wet basement repair contractor. So all of these are top level keywords, right, that we can use for our single keyword ad groups. The advanced strategy that I shared here with you works very, very well because we not only get to see what the competition is already doing and the keywords that they're already using, so we can literally just copy that exact formula, right? If they already have the winning keywords, then it's just as simple as just reverse engineering what the top competition is already doing. That's one of the reasons why I love Google Ads, because with Google Ads or SEO, the search engine, right, Google is telling us what exactly they're looking for, right? If we're looking for what these guys up here are doing, well, we can just go to their website, look at their landing page, look at their keywords, right? And we can automatically see what they're doing and then reverse engineer that. Just like we did this here, where we took the rainy day basement systems, we put that into the keyword planner here, and then we're able to see all the additional keyword ad groups that we can add. So that's going to be the advanced keyword strategy here. That's going to be it here for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.